Welcome to Brain Key. Today we'll be seeing about the benefits of trekking. Along with the physical health benefits, trekking also strengthens your mental and emotional health, and it also enhances your physical stamina. So, in today's video, we'll be seeing the benefits of trekking. Let's go. Number 1, increased heart and lung capacity. Regular trekking and hiking are said to reduce the blood pressure by 10 points and balance the body's cholesterol and triglycerides levels as well. This helps improve the circulatory and respiratory system health, thereby reducing the probability of heart attack, stroke, cardiovascular pains, and respiratory disorders. Number 2, grow on your softer skills. A practical way to gain management skills is a trekking expedition. Target setting, planning, organization, team building, goal orientation, adaptability to change, and mental strength, read perseverance, and determination. All traits are cultivated as a necessity to help you reach where you need to. You have to pull yourself and push exactly as you arrive at the line of undoable. Number 3, antidepressant and mood swing counter. While traversing through the Magnamese Mountains, you savor the simplest yet life-changing experiences. You connect with the bountiful nature, its healing sounds, and bright colors, spans, and creatives, like the hills, meadows, brooks, and lakes. The greens, the frockling fauna, and the most indispensable, you and your inner peace. You find happiness and you feel gratitude when you see those adorable mountains.
So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to Brain Key and follow us on social media.